In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set a password here on WhatsApp so that nobody else can open it up. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. But first things first, if you have WhatsApp open, go ahead and close out of it. And if you're on an Android, open up the Google Play Store and type in AppLock VIP. Once you find it, install it. And when it is done, open it up. And then you're going to be prompted to choose your lock type. You can use a PIN, password, or pattern. It doesn't matter what you pick. Just pick it, create that PIN, password, or pattern, and then give the app permissions as it needs. And when you see WhatsApp on that, go ahead and hit the little lock icon next to it and it's going to automatically put that lock on. That being said, if you are on an iPhone, this is actually a lot easier to go ahead and do. Just find the WhatsApp app and hold down on it and you're going to see an option for require Face ID. Select require Face ID and then hit require Face ID just like so. It's going to scan your face and then boom, just like that, it's applied. Now, for example, if I try and open up WhatsApp, it's going to say Face ID required. And as you can see, if that does not work, it's not going to let that person in the app. And the exact same thing is going to happen on Android. It's just you need that app beforehand. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.